So the main functionality or the immediate functionality that is offered to the user when they hit your web server is in Express Node.js in a file called app.js. Now what this mainly does is contain further instructions about what to do next. So app.js will say we're this kind of app and we're going to use this functionality, and this functionality is either obtained written by someone else, and this is where to obtain that, or we've downloaded it and packaged it up into the app and this is where to find it, or we've written it ourselves and this is where to find it, or it might also say these are the instructions, these are the specific instructions relating to a third-party functionality that we've adopted. These are some specific instructions that it needs. So we're going to learn a little bit more about this, but think about this as app.js is the first file they hit and it tells the rest of the app what to do. Now mostly what it's going to do is if you hit the, let's say we hit the profile page here on app.js, it's going to say the profile page. When you hit the profile page, you will find instructions for the profile page in the routes folder. And there'll be a file in here called profile, and all the app.js file is doing in this instance is saying I see you've hit our app/profile. Now you're going to find instructions for what to do when you hit that page over here in the profile route. And you can do this profile route's going to then give it further instructions. So it'll come through here. Profile route. Let's hit the profile route. Profile route's going to say update the person's name, or take the name from the form that they just submitted. Update that name and then go to the view. We'll get to the updating the name bit in a minute, but it's going to eventually get to a view, which is contained in the views folder. And it'll say take the name, update the name, and render back the page with the name updated. What's in between is the model. Now the model is not built in straight into Express. We're going to supply that or extend our Express app to have a model, and we're going to use MongoDB to house our model. And what's going to happen is the user's going to hit app.js, it's going to say update the profile name, it's going to be updated, the route file is going to say updated in the database, and then hit the view and then get back to the user. So this is models, and we're going to build this one ourselves, but we're going to see Express build this and this and this for us.